All right, guys, here it is, the 2022 Beta Cross Trainer, or Xtrainer, whatever you like to call it. Looks pretty sharp this year, guys. I'm not usually a fan of white motorcycles, but man, they put enough red and blue into this thing. It looks awesome. So, at first glance, this may look like the same old Beta Cross Trainer, but guys, it's not. I dropped a previous video on the 200RR and the 300RR, and you guys know the 300RR got major updates for this year, and so did the Cross Trainer. So first of all, a little background on this bike. What is it? Well, the best way I can describe it is it's the link between a play bike and an off-road bike. It's an all-around good bike for beginners, shorter riders, maybe younger enthusiasts, but you can still do virtually anything if you're an experienced rider on this that you can do on the other models. So it really is a cool machine. So what does make it different specifically? Well, this bike has a different chassis and everything than the race models, guys, or the RR models. It's got a lower seat height than the other bikes, which can inspire a little more confidence and make a shorter or a more beginner level rider feel more comfortable. It only weighs 216 pounds. It is, as you can see, the way this exhaust is made and everything, it's a smoother, more manageable power delivery without a doubt. Doesn't quite rev out the same. It's got oil injection, so you don't need to bother with mixing gas. Easy to access adjustable external power valve as well. Cool machine. I wasn't a fan of these in 2019 because of the vibration, but they fixed all that, guys. I rode one of these around the parking lot last year, 2020 or 2021 model. Absolutely loved it. And I have a few friends that have these and swear by them. I mean, absolutely love them. So let's talk about some other features the bike has. It's got a complete lighting package. It's got the skid plate, electric start, strong, durable wheels. It's got the same brake package that you can find on the larger RR models. All right, so what's been changed for 2022 models specifically? Well, the motor's been completely revised, basically just like the 300RR. You get a larger bore cylinder, a new piston, and a new power valve. A new crankshaft that's got a shorter stroke. It's got a different cylinder head. And a big thing is Beta's new clutch. They put this in I believe all their bikes for this year. It's the diaphragm clutch with different preload settings for the springs. I think there's 3 different adjustments, so you can really make the clutch actuate exactly how you want, which is pretty cool. There's new mapping this year. Also, on this bike specifically, they did do a new starter motor. Updated the whole electrical system, and then obviously the plastics and graphics. So guys, these are really cool bikes, and I believe MSRP on these is only $79.99. So not only can more of a beginner get involved in the sport for a little cheaper, but they can also feel a little more comfortable on a bike with a lower seat height. The frame is also a tad bit narrower. Just a sweet bike. And if you're an experienced guy and you have a friend with one of these, you're going to want to pop on it and ride it as well, because you're going to like it too. All right, guys, this is a little treat. I'm going to go ahead and start this thing and let you listen to it. Let's do it. The suspension is different on the cross trainers, so these are known, at least in years past, to be significantly more plush, because they're not usually being raced at high speed like the other models are. But yeah guys, absolutely sick. If you're interested in one of these, you need to contact sales@aomc.mx and they will hook you up. If you appreciate these videos, please hit subscribe and consider joining my race team. Just click the join button at the bottom. And yeah, this is Ryan with AOMC and the MXG YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.